Welcome to American Dream TV. I'm Erin Evans with Century 21 Island Homes, and today we are here in the heart of Kakaako. We are at the Ae'O Tower, and then next we're going to go to Chef Chai's signature restaurant, Chef Chai, and we're going to pour a cocktail with him. Let's go. Ae'O sets the tone for modern urban living in the coastal community of Ward Village. Ae'O in Hawaiian is the stilt bird and pays honor to the Hawaiian trade winds. The residences in Ae'O have ceiling height of just shy of 9 feet. The building is LEED certified, features double pane glass, central air conditioning, LED lighting, and on-site security. You will find engineered wood flooring throughout. The bathrooms have polished quartz counters, lighted mirrored vanity cabinets, and built-in makeup mirrors. The kitchen also has polished quartz countertops, European cabinetry with 5 different color schemes, and Bosch kitchen appliances. This modern high-rise has amenities boasting ocean views, rooftop terrace, private cabanas, dedicated family activity area, lap pool, outdoor dining, state-of-the-art fitness center, spa, movie theater, dog park, with direct access to Whole Foods. This building is in a prime location that is close to boutique shops, restaurants, entertainment, Ward Village, and 2 blocks from Ala Moana Shopping Center and the beach park. Now that we're done here, let's go for a walk over to Chef Chai's restaurant. I am so honored to be here today with one of Hawaii's most famous chefs and restaurateurs, Chef Chai, here at his restaurant, Chef Chai, located at the Pacifica, Honolulu. And here in person with us is Chef Chai himself.
Hi, Erin. How are you? Thank you so much for having me. And I love that color on you. You look stunning.
Thank you so much. I appreciate that.
Thank you. Today we're going to make passion press. So we're going to put a little bit of ice in here. This one is a key ingredient. This one is the passion fruit and a manoa honey. So we're going to use about an ounce of that. And this one is vodka. You can use any vodka. And then it's a little bit strong, so I add a dash of club soda. Then we're gonna shake it.
Wow, that looks so beautiful. I don't even want to drink it.
Let's go to the dining room and try some of the food that my chef prepared for you.
Perfect. I think I have a new favorite.
Thank you.
I am so excited to see what you have created today. It looks amazing. Like, it actually almost looks too good to eat.
Oh, thank you, thank you. And these are some of the dishes that I learned when I was younger. But let's start with the appetizer. So this one is the kataifi and macadamia nut crusted jumbo black tiger prawns. That's my own signature dish. And this is our ahi poke, but we serve in a cone, crab block salmon, and this one is the smoked duck taco with a little bit of mango salsa. The next dish that we have here, this is the deconstructed beef tenderloin Wellington. We use local beef from Parker Ranch. And then this one is the whole snapper. Today it's not snapper, but normally we use a local snapper with the chili ginger sauce. And the sauce is amazing. So many flavor in there. My mom's signature. So I learned how to make this dish when I was 12 years old. So grew up in Bangkok, Thailand. So I used to go to the open market with my mom every day, and she's on to teach me how to choose the fish, choose the meat, and how to blend the spice. But once I moved to Hawaii, I tried to infuse a lot about local culture, local cuisine. The local farmer, the fisherman, the rancher, and the chef are working together hand in hand. And that's how we have most beautiful and freshest ingredient in Hawaii.
Thank you for joining us today at Chef Chai at Pacifica, Honolulu. Looking forward to seeing you on our next episode. Cheers.